started because they're going to think our hands are set up. Because I draw Future Fusion every game.
He does.
Nah, I think you're okay.
Come on,
Did you get it?
Again.
We're good. No.
Okay.
We're good. Right there.
Wow, he did.
His hands are real bad.
Real
Actually,
bad?
they charge, recharge, hop, Future Fusion.
Don't you like his sleeves?
Yeah.
I actually do like this.
They're busted. They last you forever. I've had this since Detroit in like January.
Yeah, we went to Ultra to buy them.
Yep.
You're like, Ultra has them? What?
I was like, holy shit. Joygasm.
Yep.
Okay, go.
I'll do set.
Yeah.
He didn't have the veil.
I know, I fucked up.
He didn't have it.
I guess I have to get this guy because I need some light action. Not that one.
It's really on there. Sure.
Oh, bye.
Yep.
Rest in peace. Steve Irwin!
You got 2 thumbs down for that.
Yep.
Go ahead.
Thumbs down this video, guys. Fuck it.
Come on.
Now it's gonna happen. See what you did? That's why you gotta use 3. Do the Robbie Cole build.
This video's not even posted now.
Oh, it's getting posted. Best believe it. He got looped the first game. I was like, yeah, that's getting uploaded, whether he likes it or not.
I think there was one game that me and Slapping were playing, like, you came like a way long back. You're like, don't post that. As you're like, oh, I'll post it. And 2 days later, you're like, I fucking post it.
Yep. Yeah, it was on my pool table.
Yeah.
No homo.
Sorry.
We were playing cards on top of my pool table, guys. Chill out, okay? Fuck.
Yeah, it wasn't that time.
It was. And it was a glorious time.
Lure this guy to 3.
Then I just show your face. I'm like, does he have the Veiler? Dun dun dun!
Obviously not.
I'm having fun.
Yeah, you are.
Yep. Thanks.
You're welcome, man.
See if that goes down at use.
Nope.
So see, I came here, and throughout the day, I'm just going to have these videos. So it was worth it. Fuck it, 2012. I swear I say that in every video, too, but I'll be sure to post this on both of your guys' walls.
Thanks, man.
I know. Win 'em at? No. Alright, good answer. That's what I win 'em at. I need more. Me and Robbie got like half of them yesterday. No. Swear. We were just pounding everyone. It hurt.
All right.
I was making them squeal.
As far as I was
On my
concerned,
phone.
I didn't see you win one. I wrote Lewis
2.
down.
Or 100 rather.
Oh! Touche!
Go.
I know Robbie won too. There it is. He drew it.
Okay.
Does he have the targets left?
Yeah, sure he has targets.
Sorry, my camcorder won't go in that far. See, I have to watch the game from my screen, not what I'm actually... No.
That's like impossible.
iPad 3. No zoom in.
Why
Fuck
are
you,
you buy a
man.
fucking expensive camera and then use an iPad?
Yep. Spend $500, have no zoom. Priceless. I'm Steve Owen. Steve Owen?
I hate H.
Am I at?
44.
I hate animals. Now, what
Not
you
everyone
don't
can be
see
a master.
in the outtakes, I kill the animals I show in each episode. I hate them. I dislike them with a passion. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it.
Alright.
Steve Irwin.
600
messed up.
dislikes.
You are messed up.
You are so just jacked up. It's unbelievable. This is like the laziest I've ever been sitting, recording. I should just have like a skyline view. I should like have a ladder and just record it like that Star City does over there.
Be over there and phone tragic.
Yeah. With an all common back. Hey, I got one vaccine. What a fucking geek. That's not very nice.
Sorry.
I'm dead.
Alright, 6 minutes.